Apple's hiding something. A secret menu that shows exactly which apps are murdering your battery right now. Your iPhone has been tracking every single app, every drain, every power-hungry background process. Apple just doesn't want you to find it. Here's how you access the truth. Settings. Battery, scroll down, boom. Battery usage by app. This shows the last 24 hours and last 10 days. The real killers are revealed. First shocking truth. Social media apps are vampires. Instagram and TikTok don't just drain battery when you're scrolling. They're running constantly in the background, refreshing feeds, downloading content, burning through power while you sleep. Second truth, location services are silent assassins. Maps, weather apps, even shopping apps are tracking your every move. That blue location arrow means money leaving your battery bank. Turn off location for apps you don't need tracking you. Third truth, background app refresh is the biggest scam. Apps you haven't opened in weeks are still updating, still downloading, still stealing your battery life. Turn this off for everything except your must-have apps. Your battery life just doubled, but most people will never find this menu. Share this video with someone whose phone dies by 2 p.m. Hit subscribe for more hidden iPhone secrets Apple doesn't want you knowing. Your battery will thank you.